Hi guys, hope you're doing alright. So today I thought I would do a quick install video of the Benen towing eye or hook, is if you want to call it, or whatever you call it, or as I'd like to call it, the new reversing sensor. So it comes in two pieces. You've got the main bit, which is there, alright, and then you've got the little other side clamp bit that goes around the towing eye on the back of the car, and two bolts. You need 18mm socket set for it. It's not difficult, so I'm not going to teach you to suck eggs and say you do this, you do that. It is pretty straightforward. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, I'll show you the picture of the eye or the hook, whatever. So that's it there. So like I said, you've got the main bit there, the other side of that clamps on, and then your two bolts with the 18mm bits on them. All right, so let's have a crack and get on with it then, shall we? There we go, so that's it. All pretty much done within under 5 minutes. Alright, so there it is, just there. Alright, so you see it. Yep. Alright, and it's all pretty sturdy. Alright, so 5 minutes, job done. Result, and new parking sensor. Wicked. Alright, catch you on the next one, guys. Take it easy.